y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over a cut kick in 3 simple steps. Now let's get started. The prerequisite to learning the cut kick is going to be having just a basic side kick down. A cut kick is really just a front leg side kick meant for sparring. Alright, so step number 1, you have to get the footwork down. Alright, so all you're going to do is just barely lift up your front foot, and then you're just going to push off the standing foot and just kind of do that pushing motion, that sliding motion on the ground. It's going to be step number 1. So you have to make sure you get that motion down. You're just going to lift your front foot up and do that push sliding motion on the ground. Step number 2 is going to be chambering. Now when you do your chamber, you don't want to do like a regular traditional side kick and chamber up really big here. You want to keep it small. Like I said, it's more of a sparring side kick. So from here, as you lift and you do that pushing sliding motion, you're just going to chamber nice and small here. So not real big. When you come up for that chamber, boom, it's just right here, lifting that knee nice and bent, nice and in tight. Now, the last step is going to be just punching out that side kick motion. So here, you're gonna lift, slide, and then you're just gonna punch out that side kick. Just like that, leading with the heel. And that's your cut kick in 3 simple steps. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what other kicks you would like to see me break down in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video.